Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to block someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Look for the magnifying glass icon on the bottom bar and tap on it. On the search bar, type in the username of the user you want to block. Once you find the user, go to their profile. Click on the three dots from the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the block from the menu. Now choose any option you want. Then, click on the block. And you will successfully block the user on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to block someone on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.